Commonly mispronounced words, quiz. Niche, cliché,
coup,
anemone, choir. Instruction. Choose the correct answer. 1. She built her business around a very specific group of customers. A. Cliché. B. Niche. C. Choir. D.
coup,
The answer is B. Niche. 2. That movie ending was so predictable it felt like a blank. A. Niche. B. Coup. C. Cliché. D. Anemone. The answer is cliché. 3. He sings every Sunday as part of the school blank. A. Coup. B. Anemone. C. Choir. D. Niche. The answer is C. Choir. 4. Winning that big deal before competitors was a real blank for the company. A. Cliché. B. Choir. C. Niche. D. Coup. The answer is D. Coup. 5. The aquarium displayed a beautiful sea blank. A. Choir. B. Anemone. C. Niche. D. Cliché. The answer is B. Anemone. 6. She prefers working in a small blank market rather than competing with large companies. A. Cliché. B. Coup. C. Niche. D. Choir. The answer is C. Niche. 7. His speech sounded boring because it was full of blank. A. Anemone. B. Cliché. C. Coup. D. Niche. The answer is B. Cliché. 8. Joining the school blank helped her become more confident on stage. A. Choir. B. Niche. C. Coup. D. Cliché. The answer is A. Choir. 9. Securing that international partnership was a major blank. A. Niche. B. Cliché. C. Coup. D. Choir. The answer is C. Coup. 10. The rare flower in the garden is in blank. A. Coup. B. Niche. C. Anemone. D. Cliché. The answer is C. Anemone. How did you do? Score 8 to 10. Vocabulary boss, score 5 to 7. You're getting there. Keep going. Below 5? No worries. Click the link on the description box and come back stronger. Comment your score below. Let's see who's leveling up.